Hey, it's me, Martijn, and in this video you will learn how to get the most out of your Mi Band 7. They're all quick and easy tips, so let's get started. Custom vibration settings. On the Mi Band 7 you can set the vibration to the default or enhanced setting, but you can actually set specific vibrations for certain actions and customize them. Now if you go to the Mi Fit app, then tap on Device and select Vibration, you can customize vibrations. I love, for example, not too intense vibrations for the alarm in the morning, and this works perfect for me. Automatic workout detection. I work many days a week from home, and in order to combat any weight gain, I try to walk at least for 30 minutes in my lunch breaks. However, I'm quite often in a rush to start, so I love the fact that the Mi Band 7 can automatically start the workout. Unfortunately, this is not turned on by default, so grab your Mi Band 7, swipe up all the way to the bottom and go to Settings. Select here Workout Detection and enable one of the sport modes. Smart D&D. One of the very first things that I did with my brand new Mi Band 7 was setting up Smart D&D. I do not want my sleep to be disturbed, and since I go to bed at different times, setting up a standard 10 PM to 7 AM time frame doesn't really work for me, and therefore this Smart D&D feature is perfect. It stops sending you notifications the moment you're asleep. This one isn't turned on by default either, so go on your Mi Band 7 to Settings, tap on Do Not Disturb and enable Smart D&D. That's it. There are 2 bonus points of the Smart D&D feature that are often overlooked and definitely worth sharing. Before I share them with you, I wanted to let you guys know that there are a ton of straps available in different shapes, sizes and colors. I've got this one, which is perfect for the summer. It's a nice light blue version, and there are so many more cool straps available, and I will leave a link in the video's description, so make sure you check it out. Okay, so now let's go back to the Smart D&D bonus points. So the moment you enable Smart D&D, it doesn't flash the room anymore with green light. Very handy if you're sensitive to light during sleep. And on top of that, probably the best part is that it also recognizes daytime naps. Thank you, Xiaomi. Screen Wake Up. This is a small follow-up for Smart D&D, as even though it's enabled, it doesn't mean that the screen won't light up anymore the moment you touch it, or maybe by accident. So in case you're sensitive to light during the night, grab your smart band once again and go to Settings and then Preferences. From there, tap on Screen Watch Face and set it to swipe up to wake up. Security pin. This one is very obvious, but there is a very small twist to it. While charging or wearing other devices, I prefer that no one is able to pick up my smart band or other smartwatches and go through all the notifications, for example. On the other hand, I do not want to enter the pin all the time, so from the Mi Fit app, it is possible to set a pin, but only when not wearing the fitness tracker. Pretty genius if you ask me. I really do like all of those small features and the nitty-gritty part that makes the experience on the Mi Band 7 even better. And in case you can't get enough, I have a video over here that is definitely worth watching because I share even more tips and tricks for any Xiaomi smartphone. Make sure to check out the video because we already reached the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of the tips and tricks, and if you have a favorite one in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe so that I see you in the next one.